Yo guys, this product is running online currently and it's really massively making sales of millions of dollars. And I want to show you exactly how actually I find this product and what actually the profit margins. So as you can see in AliExpress, this one sold in $13.9. And when you come here, you can see that the average is $30. Thousands of pieces sold from the same product. Okay, 26 is the average. As I can see here, there is a couple of gamers that actually low and take it up, but take a look at that, $48 and 40,000 pieces sold in the last 30 days. This is why he have the big confidence to actually skyrocket the price and make a profit margin of over 4 inside Amazon, which is supposed to be the lowest one. So I guess in Shopify store and dropshipping model, you can sell this product for $69.99. And when you go also inside Meta, you can find a lot of listings of people who actually sold the same product. Take a look at that in really expensive. Let's see a couple of stores. 125, which is in my currency $35. All right, and here also another one, but you can sell it much more expensive. These people actually getting, I guess, really organic traffic. But if you want to know basically how actually I find these kind of products, this is my store and I refresh the screen. I made over $19 million and want to show you and give you a list of really winning products that you can start making money with them inside my school community. So all you need to do is just click below, join my community, and you will get a list of winning products on a weekly and monthly basis to actually help you generate your money. And also I have a course inside which help you making your store in less than 10 minutes with AI. So don't pay money for that. I will show you exactly what you're supposed to do.